Let's retry that.
It's a practice swing. Oh my goodness. Pressure's on because the camera's on or what? Okay, there you go. You finally, third time's a charm.
Okay, go ahead.
Good.
What was my head in the way?
All right, another one. Do it. Yeah, that was good.
Let me do a tech flip.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Are you videoing me? I didn't know.
Ready?
40 pounds, huh?
40 pounds.
What are you gonna do with it? Break your toe?
Oh,
Careful!
I was trying to.
I heard a pop.
Yeah, that's because it might have held my arm. This is crazy, man. It's hard to stay from here. I go backwards.
Stand up tall. Catch up to it. You're going too slow. No, don't. I want you to fall. That's how people mess up and fall down. That would hurt. Okay. Good job. He's doing
How many calories does it say?
4.9. You burned, I think that, 19 calories.
Dang. No hands.
Yeah, we'll definitely come over here tomorrow and do some working out while it's windy.
Yeah.
Okay. Good. Thanks. Okay, I'm gonna step outside here. Go to the. Whoa! It's a little breezy here. It is a little windy here in Yuma, Arizona. Oh my gosh! Look at these trees swaying. Have high winds here up until the evening, maybe even later till like almost 11 o'clock or midnight, and it's supposed to not be so bad tomorrow, but I'll tell you what, right now it is very windy, and I'm hearing there's some dust storms kicking up in the desert areas of southwest Arizona. We're here at the RV park in Yuma, so we're good. Tree right above us. I don't know if you can see, but the horizon is kind of a pinkish color there. It's the dust blowing around in the skies. You can see dust blowing across the roadway here, the highway. Had to put my window up. Really hazy off in the distance here. I'll be just going to turn around right here. Right, heading into some blowing dust here. Look at this. Yeehaw. People leaving work. Up here we got some blowing. Again, we're in Yuma, Arizona here. Sandblasted there. So we got a north wind, and you can feel it pushing the car. Be careful if you're traveling in your RV, high top van. Makes traveling difficult, steering difficult. You could even find yourself in a bad situation. Semi-trailers get knocked over in these high winds out on the highways too, so you don't want to be right by one of them and it blows over on top of you or something like that. So yeah, you got to be very careful. It's got a big gust of wind. And lots more dust is blowing in now. Lots of dust. I don't know if you can see it on the camera though. Kind of missed it. Right when I looked up, I saw a bunch of dust, and then I start filming and it was gone.